Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I used this heart wreath frame and beaded heart wreath from Dollar Tree as well as some fabric from Walmart. I started by opening up the little loops that connected the heart wreath together and straightened out that wire with some pliers and pulled off a bunch of the beads to make it smaller, and then held it on the center part of the heart wreath frame just to see if I needed to remove any more beads. And I ended up removing 4 more, so 12 total. And then took some snips and cut down the wire where I had removed all the beads, just leaving a little bit left over so I can hook it back onto the other loop on the other side. So I just pushed that through that loop and then bent that around just so they were connected and stayed together. Again, just using some pliers. I then reformed it back in the shape of a heart. And I did attach it at the beginning, but I do end up having to remove it after, so you can skip this step and then go right to the fabric and do this part after. But how I attach it is I just take some floral wire and wrap it around the wire in between the beads and then the wreath frame. I just do that in a few spots, the center on the top of the heart, and then the point at the bottom, and then the high points on the heart. And I take these fabric quarters that I got from Walmart. They're 18 by 21 inches. And I kept them folded and then folded them over a little more and just cut about 1-inch strips throughout them. And I used 3 of those fabrics. After I have them all cut, they're a little bit long, so I take each strip I had cut and cut them in half. I did not measure them, just needs to be long enough to loop around the frame and then pull those pieces out and have them as long as you want. So what I do is I just take the piece, I fold it in half, and then hold it over that center wire on the heart frame, and then tuck it up through the loop. So around that center one and then back up through the loop. And I just go around with one fabric at a time, just so I make sure to have enough of one color all the way around, and then I just fill it in with the other fabrics I have. Just making sure to leave some because I'll be putting more on the center. And so right here is where I had to detach the beaded wreath. I'm not sure what I was thinking when I attached it at the beginning, but I just cut the wires, and then on the center part of the heart wreath, just pulled the fabric through the same way and just filled that in nicely. Once I had that all filled in, I took the wire again and attached it the same way. And after I have all of the wire attached, I just take my pliers and bend those pieces of floral wire down so they aren't poking through. I also added some red and white twine to the back as a hanger, but this project was super easy to do and I love how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching.